I'm Robert Braswell, and this is 2 Minutes with TMC. Welcome to 2 Minutes with TMC. I'm your host, Robert Braswell, with ATA's Technology and Maintenance Council. 2 Minutes with TMC is brought to you courtesy of Meritor. Meritor is a leading global supplier of drivetrain, mobility, braking, and aftermarket solutions for commercial vehicle and industrial markets. With a more than 100-year legacy of providing innovative products that offer superior performance, efficiency, and reliability, Meritor serves commercial truck, trailer, defense, specialty, and aftermarket customers around the world. And now let's take a look at what's happening in your council. The coming impact of automated vehicle technology will be one of the three main technical sessions at TMC's 2018 Annual Meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition, scheduled for March 5th through the 8th at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. Vehicle manufacturers and their suppliers are working expeditiously on perfecting automated and vehicle platooning technologies, and government regulators are struggling to keep pace, as regulatory changes will be necessary at many levels to effectively implement automated vehicle technologies into the nation's transportation system. Attend this session, co-sponsored by TMC and SAE International, and learn what is fast approaching when it comes to automated vehicles and what vehicle engineers and government regulators are planning for tomorrow's fleets. We'll also have fleet executives on hand to share their opinions about the pending changes and how they think it will impact their maintenance operations. To register, or for more information on TMC's 2018 annual meeting, go to tmcannual.trucking.org. You'll find a shortcut link to our event landing page in today's email as well. And that's all the time we have today for 2 Minutes with TMC. Once again, this program is brought to you by the good people at Meritor. Until next time, this is Robert Braswell for TMC. Thanks for watching.